How to delete business profile on Google Maps. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to remove business profile on Google Maps. To do this, you'll have to follow the simple steps. Open up a browser first thing first, and on the web address bar type in google.maps.com. When you type in that, you'll open up the maps, after which you want to tap on the toolbar icon from the left hand side and go to add your business. So that next thing you want to do is you want to click the question mark icon located in the top right hand side of your screen. Then you could see this sort of page where you could actually go ahead and select how to add and remove owners and manager for your business profile. Once you do that, scroll down to the bottom. You could read about all of these information as well. Now click on get verified first of all. After that, you want to go ahead and click on manage your Google business. After that, you want to go ahead and click on the confirm button. Once you do that, you'll be able to find this report review on Google Maps and Google Search. So after which you could see in order to add owners and manager or to remove it, so you just have to follow the steps. Go to profile, business profile, and click the settings button, and after which you want to go to people and access, and at the left click on add, or if you want to remove, click on remove, and by following the steps you'll have successfully removed it. So likewise you could also go ahead and read about all of these in detail, and you'll be able to delete your business profile on Google Maps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.